How to activate KeyBank's debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to activate your KeyBank debit card so you can start using it right away. First, when your card arrives in the mail, you can sign the back for security reasons. Then you can have a few simple ways to activate it. The first one is to make a phone call. You can call the activation number that's printed on the sticker on your card and follow the automated prompts. You can also find different phone numbers right here online, phone numbers like these, to call and activate it. The second option is you can go to your local ATM, go to any KeyBank ATM, just insert a card and complete a transaction with your PIN. This will activate your card immediately. And the final method is to obviously go to mobile app or online banking, sign into your KeyBank online mobile banking, or just go ahead and continue on with the website on key.com. Go to manage card section and there you'll be able to select your new card. Once you tap on it, you can activate it very easily. Then you'll be required to follow some on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, your card is ready to use for purchase as and you can use it to do ATM withdrawals or make online payments. And that's it. It's a quick and secure way to complete the task in just a few steps. If you found the tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more quick tips. And I'll see you guys on the next one.